G'day and welcome back to another episode of Tomo's Tune-Ups, proudly sponsored by Minisport. On this episode, we are talking about the pin and R-clip available from Minisport to suit the Classic Mini or Moke, and primarily the A-Series engine. So we have a pin just here with a small hole in it, and we have an R-clip. Now there are only a couple of these inside a Classic Mini, for instance, the rear trailing arm, the clutch and brake pedal assembly, as well as the clutch assembly. So over time, these pins do wear and can cause engagement issues, like we've spoken about previously on another episode in which we discussed the clutch arm. They can reduce the amount of engagement from a clutch, for instance. So when you're pulling something apart, it's important to make sure you check all of the components. As I said, it does have a small R-clip, and that R-clip goes directly in the end there and prevents it coming out. It is important to make sure that you either fit an R-clip, and if you don't have it available to you, get yourself a split pin to put in there and just bend it around. If you don't and this comes out, well, you're going to lose engagement, regardless whether it's the brake master cylinder, the clutch master cylinder, or even worse, the clutch arm. So when you're pulling something apart, check it and see if there's any signs of wear and tear. Over time, you can find it will wear a groove inside there. If there's any sort of movement inside the component, chances are it does need to be replaced. These do come in a variety of lengths and sizes, so make sure you buy the right one to suit. And they do vary in price a little bit, but not overly expensive. Definitely worthwhile if you're pulling something apart that doesn't look like it's been replaced recently. For what it's worth to replace these, do it at the same time. If you're unsure, check them out at the phone number listed above or even www.minisport.com.au, and catch it on the next episode of Tomo's Tune-Ups.